side of the tree there, just doing a bit of shouting. Some peanuts. That's the guy. Over here. Hello, magpies. Two crows. They probably don't show up on the GoPro. Plus we got pizza. Yep, they're on the suet. Oh, right next to the magpie. Come on, guys. It's cheesy pizza. Don't let the seagulls get all your calories. Oh, like that. Right, well the food's here when you're ready, okay? If you're going to hand it to the seagulls and the, the magpies. Oh, get it. Oh, for goodness sake. Magpie here. And these guys, can you see the guy on the tree? On the right hand side there. Black parrot. Cool. Halloween parrot. Just put some. Oh, two of them. Can you see two of them? One kind of right in the middle. One guy just to his left. Two crows over there and three magpies. Don't last. Oh dear. I'm running out of pizza. And peanuts. Normally these guys are quite shouty. Maybe they saw the red kite. Step away. See if they come and have a look. Swoosh. Yes, there you go. Got 3 bits of pizza. Safety crow. You're going to bury that. Excellent. Other guy? Other guy's got something? Yeah, peanuts and suet. That's. He's just over there on the edge of that shadow. You might not be able to see him if I don't point him at you. Let's go see the next one.